Hey there peeps, mewmew here, and today we're going to be unboxing Razer Kraken Quartz Pink and also the Goliathus Extended Quartz Pink. So let's get to it. Released their new Kraken Quartz Pink, which is their third edition of it, and it has a cooling feature. It's really cool, at least from what I know. And also they released the Quartz Goliathus Extended, which is a gaming pad, mouse pad. It's really big. I'm very curious about it, and so they have a lot of items in their new Quartz line. They've already had a Quartz line, but they added more items to it, and these were the two items that really appealed to me because I've been looking for a gaming headset for a while, and I'm very picky when it comes to them because having things on my ears for a long period of time just like really wears me out because, you know, the heat on my ears, I just don't like that. So we're gonna start with a Kraken Quartz. So this is their third edition. So like what I really liked about this is that apparently their the cushions they have a cooling gel, and also they said something about the frame with the getting padding. It was also supposed to allow for heat to not like stay, and I really like that. That thought process of not being too overheated when it comes to headset, because I mean they're so bulky sometimes, so it's like I don't want to be overheating with headphones because then it just makes the experience like really bad. But here is the box for the Kraken headset. And yes, we do have Emmy here with me today. She is going to be helping us out. And oh yes, it says oval cushioning gel, ear cushions. And the box is very nice, very quartz. I love the theme of it. Although pink I wouldn't say is my favorite color because y'all know purple is my favorite color. But it is such a cute shade. So I was ready with my scissors, which are purple. And here we go. Let's open these up. Oh my, they're so cute. And I do love that for everything they have, they say for gamers by gamers. And whoosh, here they come. Okay, they are wired, which is interesting just because I have accidentally gotten out of my desk without taking off headphones, forgetting that they're wired. Which is a dangerous thing. And they are very cute. The pink is very cute and light. It's like not like a hot pink. It's very a very pastel-y pink, if you would say. And I like the gray of the cushions. They are very soft. I was thinking they would be like very hard, but they're actually very soft. And so is the inner padding here. This one it feels more leathery. And the inside is, oh yeah, the headset thing, this part is supposed to be memory foam, which is supposed to allow for your head to like be more comfortable. And I will be trying these out and testing them out and letting you know, like towards the end of this video, what my impressions of actually using this headset and the gaming pad, what my experience was, and do I recommend these, because I am very particular with things. So I'm gonna take off my cat ears, which you don't see very often, and if I love this headset, I have to buy the cat ear attachments. And something for me like with headphones is I don't know how loud I am with them on. I feel like they're so big compared to my head. My head is kind of small, but they are very comfy actually. I don't feel so claustrophobic in them. So that's a definite plus. Usually sometimes I have issues with headsets because they're too big on top. So I'll definitely give these a try. I'm very excited about this. I'm very excited. And so it does have its long pink cord, and it does have a mute and not mute button, and also volume controls on the plug, and fits into any 3.5 mm slot. So other things that I've noticed on here, we do have a mic on here very discreetly. You can see it kind of sticking out. You can pull it out. I am going to do some tests on the mic to see how well it does. It would be fantastic if this works out because then I can stream from my PS4 with no issues, instead of like dragging my entire setup to my living room. But so far, this is what we have on this one. And let's see, is there anything else in the box? There is. So we have this cable, which splits into two. Oh, maybe it's for audio and for mic output. Yes, it's a splitter. We have this manual, which is great, but I believe that is all that is in the box, so that's awesome. I'm going to try these out definitely and see how they work out for me. I'm very excited. I'm going to use this because I'm going to try to stream today with these headphones as this headset as my main mic. Okay, so now Emmy's moving. You know, she's gonna protect the headset. And we are gonna open the Goliathus Extended Chroma. So this is basically like their mouse pads that Razer has already, but the Goliathus is one that they have that well, it's their gaming mouse pad, but they also have the extended edition, which means it's much larger, and it's, I believe, 33 inches. It doesn't show me the thingies here, but it's about 33 inches wide and 14.5 high, so like that's really cool. Oh look, they have some holographic stickers. Oh, these are so cool. Or maybe there was one in the manual for the headset, but like, oh my gosh, these are so pretty. Okay, and we have a pink cord. Take this out. Woo! It comes rolled up, which allows it to not get any creases, which is really important, especially for mouse pads. You know, how many people have had mouse pads with like crinkly things? So we're gonna just slide it out. And we have another thingy. I think it's instructions, so right there. And on the back side, it is black, which is actually a little, it feels very rubbery. It's very rubbery on the back. And we have this, it's actually like cardboard tube. And we flip it over. And as you can see, it's very big. It's almost as big as my table. Well, this is not my gaming table. I have a different table that I use, which I will show you kind of, you know, a video of the actual setup of this once I do that. And it does have here on the corner the pink control feature function thing that has the Razer logo on it, and well, Razer's name, because I don't think that's their logo. Is it? I don't know. And we have the USB plug-in for the Goliathus, and once we plug it in, it will actually light up. So let's do that. I plugged it in. As you can tell, or not tell so well, the outer tubing, which is basically like kind of looks like a flexible LED tube, and you know, it's actually, oh my gosh, I literally just connected it to my computer and it's already synced up to my keyboard because I have a Razer keyboard, and it's the Mercury one, and it's literally synced up color-wise without me setting anything up. So that's really cool that it's already in sync. I've been wanting a mouse pad of this size for a long time just because I have a smaller mouse pad, which is adorable, but you know, I needed something nicer for my desk, and this is so pretty. I love the color on it, how it looks, and you know, even though it's a Razer Quartz line, this mat is not overwhelming because it is a very, you know, nice gray, and the color on the outside, and the controller, which is the quartz color, and the cable's also the quartz. And it's a very long cable because it reaches from this table to my output. So this is really cool. I can't wait to set it up. Once I set it up, I'll show you pictures of it. And we're gonna jump over to my final thoughts of actually using these products. How do they work out? Do I still love them? Because they are very cute. I hope that I am completely impressed after using them for a while, and I will let you know all the ins and outs of them. review time. I've been using both my headset and the Goliathus extended for about 2 weeks, and you know, I was sort of conflicted when I originally bought it because I was like, do I really need, you know, an extended mouse pad for my desk? I mean, I could still just do fine with my other mouse pad, and I love it. I just love it so much. It like has added a beautiful, you know, kind of look to my desk. I'm gonna insert clips of how it looks on my desk, but it's like so beautiful, like just the glow of it, and it changing with my keyboard is fantastic. And then it has like enough space on this other side for my tablet, which is really cool, or sometimes I put my headphones on it, and it's just so nice. And my desk is so black, and it's just kind of, that's that pop of color. The coloring does flow very nicely between the keyboard and the mouse pad, and the Synapse app for Razer just works really well. So many props to them. And actually there's integrations with Synapse with Razer that I did not even know existed, like with Philips Hue, so maybe I'm gonna play more with that, and also with the Nano Leaf, like you can see behind me. So I might be playing with that some more as I go along. So definitely will be playing more. And now the thing that you're probably slowly more interested in is the headset. So I've actually been wearing these headsets a lot at home and also for like stream. And I might insert a clip of me talking in stream, but the mic quality on this is actually surprisingly well. I've never had a headset that I can use as a mic, and although I won't be using it for my stream mic when I'm streaming from my desk and, you know, my office, but it is a very nice alternative because I was actually able to stream for my PS4 the other day just using this headset alone. My stream lasted for 4 hours and a half just with this headset alone, and it was definitely one of the longest tests for me to do, because usually with headset that, you know, over the year headsets, I can last about 30 minutes before my ears start hurting. And honestly, I could have streamed for longer had I not had to go somewhere. And you know, I did not feel claustrophobic in them. When I took them off, my ears were slightly warm, but they weren't hot. And you know, the cushions were very soft, you know, on my ears, and they actually didn't fall off. I was wearing them like kind of lounging on my sofa while playing and, you know, streaming as well, and it was very comfortable. The headset itself didn't fall off my head at any point. They weren't heavy, like I wasn't feeling like a little bobble doll that, you know, with the headset's weight. So I'm very impressed with the quality that this has, and also just how not painful it was. Like, it was actually very surprising to me when I like took off the headset when I was done streaming, and I was like, oh, how long have I been streaming? I checked my Twitch, and it was like, you know, you're streaming for 4.5 hours. I'm like, wow, I was not expecting that. And the mic quality was really good. You know, with my settings was just twisting how loud the PS4 was actually. And I did stream from my desk one day just using this mic as my input, and it sounded perfect. It picked up my keyboard a little bit, but that was just, you know, settings I just need to mess with. But it didn't sound like I was in a tin can or anything. It sounded pretty good, and I was very impressed with it. And you know, so they aren't tight, they didn't fall off. My head is very small, so I've been able to use it, but it does extend out, you know, to this number 5, which I don't know what the 5 means, but you know, they are capable of extending out for people that have you know, slightly larger heads than me. But I like that you can make them pretty small and extend out. I have been looking, I'm gonna buy the cat ears for these if I decide to wear them on stream. And you know, I still have to figure out when I would wear them on stream, you know, opposed to like my regular mic setup. But I think it's going to be mainly whenever I want to stream from my PS4, so I don't have to move my whole setup to the living room to be able to stream. Like, I can just use the headset and nothing else, and that's really awesome. I'm very, very impressed. And you know, it's been great. And I don't know if I showed it earlier, but like you can take out the mic a little bit further and move towards your face and away, just to, you know, make sure that the mic is pointing towards you. And it does have a mute and unmute and increase and decrease of the volume on the actual string of the cable, the wire. So that's also really cool. I'm very much loving these headphones. I've been actually looking for like excuses of wearing them more often, and you know, sometimes the excuses aren't good to use them, but like I've been trying to use them a lot, and that's been really fun to do, and I've just had a lot of fun with them. I'm very impressed. Like, it's surprising to me to actually like a headset. It is very cute. I like the, you know, the subtle pink. It's not like a hot pink, but too much in your face. It's subtle. The only thing that I'm still having like a little issue with, and that I think it's a in my head kind of thing, is that they look big on my head. But I think that's just my preference. I've gotten a lot of compliments wearing them, so I guess that's just my opinion of headsets being big, or maybe it's just not my head's fault. I don't know. But overall, I do highly recommend this headset. They're $79. I'll leave a link to the Razer store where you can find them if you choose to buy them. I personally really liked their Quartz Pink line with these new headphones, and with the Goliathus Extended. I never knew I needed this, but now I do. And I might check out some of the other Quartz Pink products in the future. I'm not entirely sure. I just have to make that decision of whether or not I want to buy them. Let me know in the comments below, what did you think of these headsets, or are you maybe considering them? Thank you all so very much for watching, and until next time, meow to meow.